Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to validate response data, the list of users details in a response. Okay, in a previous video you can able to see get method, how we can able to make the get method and all. Okay, in this video I am going to show you how we can able to do it. Okay, and here I am going to make it for get list of response validation. Okay, for this we are going to check for the similar format how we done for the call API and everything, right? Similar format. I'm going to copying this entire information again one more time. Okay, same thing which I done for previous, and here we need to use for get. For this we need to use for post methods, which are the things are presented for get method, right? Get list of one that we can able to take it. Okay, and this is my URL. I'm going to paste it for here. Okay, and headers, it is basically authorization of one part it is presented. For this I'm going to take for authorization. This is my bearer token. How to generate bearer token and all, I already explained the starting video. Please go through that. Okay, then I need to remove for my response. Then I need to get the response data. Okay, I need to get the response data. Which data I want to verify? If I hit this one, get list of one, it will provide some list of data. Okay, this is in the 0th position of the name. I want to get this data and I need to verify this name whether it is valid or not. Okay, for this is basically a list, right? And for this list we can able to set dollar dot array, means the response, because it is having list of array value. The list of array values we need to read from the 0th position value, means we can able to use the 0th position. Second first one means this one. Like that we need to in the 10 records, in the 10 positions, 0 to 9 positions we need to read it. In the 0th position what we need to read? Name. And we need to save for this name, which is the name we are going to get it, because we need to do for validation as well. For doing for validation we need to do it. Okay, and save it as some name of that. Okay, first array name. Okay, this is name. Okay, and we are verifying the status as 200. After that we have validation also. For the validation also they provided for one line. Even last video also I showed that how we can able to validate. This is the step we need to do it. Okay, and even we can able to end of the statement, we can able to put the end and we can able to start it. This is a one format, and even you can like JSR format. This I will explain you how we can able to do it. Okay, this is a particular thing. Okay, and now once it is done, then we can able to, and here we need to use it for paste it here, and I need to take the first name one. Okay, what was the name we need to verify? The first position, as it will not come for as well same the name, but sometimes it will perfectly it will come, some other time it will not come the exact what we are going to expect. Okay, this is the case. We need to run it now. Okay, I'm just hitting this particular endpoint. Now you can able to see this is a response validation actually. Okay, once it is satisfied we can able to get the entire list of that values. Okay, and the array. and one by one positions of the array we can able to provide, and we can able to validate it. In case if you have any data, we can able to. Now my test case got failed. Why it is failed, we can able to see. This is a trace, and we can able to show the information because it is we are expecting for this name, but it is found for this particular name. That's why it is not matched. I told you, right? Say every time it will not come the same name, but it will change the sometimes. Then I am going to use for the particular name, which is our name we are going to validating. Okay, save and retest. And again it is started for the execution. And the errors, we can able to see the message. In the last video I forgot to show you that particular one because that particular statement is not visible. Now it is got passed. Okay, even you can able to see all the statements got passed without any issue. There is no much information because all the things are passed. In case if it is fail, you can able to see the message also. In the message, once you click the message, you can able to see for error details. That is a one option it is presented. Okay, and if you see the failed place more details, and this is show error message info. This is the info. If you click, you can able to see the information because these are all our endpoints, back endpoints. That's why if you hit also, it will not provide how many values you want to edit, how many values you want to do that this particular verification. You can able to do it. That is a way we can able to do it for this list of validation. Okay, the next video session I can able to that also very small topics because I can able to make all into one, but it will take like a confusion. That's why I'm going to do for separate for each method. Okay, the post method I'll body how we can able to pass, and all I will show you in the next video session. I hope it this information will help you for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues.